Okay, we're here at the Narrows, George C. McGough Nature Park. This is a diamond in the rough, if you ask me. This is a small county park, city park rather, located in between Largo and Indian Rocks Beach, and it's also known, we call it, our nickname for it is Turtle Beach. And we're gonna start exploring the reason for that in a second. They've developed this place into a turtle sanctuary. This is more turtle. They have every turtle known to Florida here to begin with, and they have them sitting around all over the place. We're gonna see more of that in a moment. We're gonna, ooh, cool, man, cool. Obviously a great blue heron. They're going to feed they keep birds here also. They're going to feed a red-shouldered hawk in a moment if they're not doing it right now. And we're going to go back out and check that out in a second. Kind of on our way there. We're going to see the turtles later. There's a place over here where you can feed them, buy the food, feed them, and they come up and eat. I mean, it's incredible. This is the inside of it. We've never been inside before. There's a guy here with a snake. Oh, we are having the red-shouldered feed. I'm here every day. And we're feeding him right now. So. You got our food. Thanks for carrying that food. We better get photos. Sorry, baby. Good girl.
Now, how old is she?
She's about 7.
7.
She's no better. She's been here almost as long as Matilda. Wow. Yum.
So that's what Jasper knew that it was going to be getting fed. Is that the one that was making some short race?
She has to be fed first.
Okay.
Or she bullies everybody.
Just like a
Let me go
woman.
get Jasper. Put it up right now.
Get what she wants.
Shay.
Seems like that was her place.
All right, so we've seen the red shoulder be fed. These are the owls. These are barred owls.
I'm going to walk down and see right there.
This is a horned owl. We saw smaller versions of these in the inside, which again, we've never been to the interior. They don't have to bring them out to feed them. That's just more or less a bonus. It's very cool to see them come out of the cage and be handled. Here's the eagle. They call this eagle Sarge. It's apparently a female. I heard them talking earlier. Are those tortoises over that way? The tortoises that you were talking about? Okay, cool. Upon examination, veterinarians determined that she suffers from a genetic feather disorder and is unable to fly. As this condition is permanent, it was deemed non-releasable. So it's not a rehabilitative effort, it's just keeping her alive. I mean, she couldn't make it in the wild. So for its type, the type of zoological exhibition that this is as good as anywhere. To be able to see these turtles in this environment is just phenomenal. And we haven't seen that yet. We're going to see that in a little bit when we're done with the bird exhibits. This is very unusual, or I don't say unique, but it's very interesting to have all these Florida birds right here. We saw baby kestrels and owls inside. We're going to go back in and see those some more. We'll see the rest of these birds and then we'll go do that, and then we'll go check out the turtles. That one just got body slammed, so it's kind of getting its bearings. It's got half its wing clipped off too. So does that one. Remember that one we saw in Seminole County? It was fighting with the squirrel or whatever it was. That was crazy. It's another one. Another hawk. Red-tailed hawk. It's got its wing clipped as well.
You want back to that?
No, email.
Want to do the birds?
I want to go back inside real quick and then we'll go feed the turtles. Yeah, I'll be right back out this way. I just want to do the inside real quick. So you got this one attached, so he's going to be bringing it out to feed it. We'll come back and check that out in a moment. Ten to 4, so it's 2:30 now. All right, so we're inside the exhibit. First time we've ever been in here before, and they have some stuffed animals, some live animals. We have a ball python here, a bearded dragon lizard here, king snake. There was a guy earlier that had a python or boa out, and he wrapped around his leg or whatever. And got some pictures of it, but get it on video. This is some sort of a gecko. Cuban tree frogs. Oh, this is the snake that the guy had out earlier. Yeah, there it is. He had it out earlier. Now it's back in its cage. Domestic rats. And these are kestrels. We don't see these every day. It's pretty cool. They're juveniles, obviously. They're small. And here we have screech owls. I think that's a horned owl. It's got its head turned the other way.
There's our girl. Let me say hi.
He's not in there. There's some turtles. This is what we're going to see outside in a lot greater volume, I should say. Education Center. Apparently there was a movie filmed here, Turtle Tail, appropriate. Leopard gecko. Funky looking eel down in there. And then we have the little gift shop. They actually have XXX shirts. Gotta get them. Gotta get one. Where should we go?
We've got to go to the Peace River and try and find one of these McGough.
Okay. It's a red-shouldered. Got half its wing clipped off, so I guess it doesn't fly away. All right, let's go look at the turtles. Where are they at? Oh, neat, neat, neat. Okay, these are new too, since the last time we were here. Those are not gophers. I wonder what they are. That is not a gopher tortoise. Do we see anywhere where it says what kind they are? No idea what kind it is though, huh? It's not a gopher tortoise, that's for sure. Gophers don't have those humpy backs with the different colors in them. Turtles. This is Turtle Beach, not Tortoise Beach. We've been all over this place before a couple of times. In the back, there's a really neat area where they, yeah, you can see this little bank over here on the other side where they have congregated. Well, the tide's really low, or the flow's not low, high. So the lovely research assistant is going to start throwing food in there, and these things are going to start eating it after she gets done faking them out.
No one's trying to call them in.
But anyway, I've seen them all over that bank before, and we've gone over there, and they go, they just all plop in. Okay, this is where the fun starts, because the little fishies in there get in there, the turtles get up in there. That big old soft shell. He's like, yo, what's up? What's up, my nizzle? And these guys are batting. These guys are going back and forth, and they're not even paying attention to the food no more. They're just going after it, going at it. Yeah, this reminds me of the first time we were here. Well, the first time we were here, they came from every side and corner. We were the only people here feeding them. It was later in the evening, so surprisingly, they were still very hungry.
I wonder if we go over to the platform and throw if they'll move.
Probably. Where are we now? Oh, the other one's over there. There are people over there right now, aren't there? Oh, no.
You know what I mean? Over there, where we came in, that board.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I'm sure.
That's a pretty one. Look at this one.
Sheila, those Ninja Turtles. Yeah, that's Leotardo and Dominic and whatever.
Feed me.
I'm going to do a walk around real quick. Circle it and come back over here.
Which way are you going?
This way.
I mean,
Just going to make a big circle. Yeah. I just want to capture the other side. It's a very small little pond, as you can see. There's not much to it volume-wise, but These turtles thrive here. People come here to see them and feed them. They're fed. Oh, there's some guys right there. Now, turtles being the most skittish creature known to man, they're going to jump in when I come over, and perhaps having kids run around. That's pretty cool. You don't see that every day. I'm about maybe 4, 5, 6 feet from this thing, if that, and it's not moving. That never happens. It's used to people. Yep. And you can see from here that we're right over across from one of the platforms. Do not touch the turtles. As if you could. That one almost, you could almost touch that one. Goodness gracious, that girl's right on top of that thing. She's going to violate the edict here, I can tell. Kids have to touch. I think that's half the fun, is touching. Yeah, man. I was just thinking about snakes, but I was thinking it couldn't be here because all these people here. Son of a gun, you're lucky you got away before you scared me to death. It still scares me. I'm scared of snakes. I'm scared. Let's reward these little guys with some food for their diligence. Well, there's the big platform. I want to go over there. Nice. And we're gonna walk over here and see, can we see what we can see?
Ducks are fun. They're hard. Yeah.
All right, so we basically circumvented the entire pond here in about 75 seconds. Look at a little teeny one right there. Baby one getting back in the water. No, you can't see me. You can't catch me. And then we got all of them out there. Turtle Pond. That's where we are. Oh man, somebody's trying to get me off my diet. That smells good, whatever it is. I'll tell you for sure, for sure. You ready? Got your camera ready? They didn't even move. There's fish in here. There's all kind of crappies and carp and stuff. Who knows what else? They aerate it, which you can see from the water coming up underneath. Get a little bit better arm going here this time. Can I land this sucker in the middle of them? I did. Okay. There, they're moving now. All right. I be's hungry. I be's hungry. Look at all these little teeny weeny fish. I don't know what they're called, but I don't know if the camera's even picking them up. There are millions of them. Well, thousands. Nice. I don't know, that little turtle down there did something. I want food and I don't want to have to go anywhere for it. These turtles are all Democrats. Throw me the food. I don't want to work for it.
Oh my gosh.
What's your feet? Is that the head of a rattler right there?
No.
All right, well, that is a fairly comprehensive tour of this facility. There's a boardwalk that goes out to the intercoastal, but it's really not much to it. This is the attraction. Oh, nice. There it goes.
The other one's his feet. Look at his feet going. What's he doing?
What's that all about?
What's that all?
Damn, there was a log here when I got up on it. What happened to it? Anybody's ever been out in the wild any length of time and seen turtles knows that turtles get stuck. And these aren't stuck, but I've seen them get stuck to where they have to really rock their bodies back and forth to get off of what they're on.
Yeah.
So anyway, we're going to shut it down. We're from the Narrows at George C. McGough Nature Park, Turtle Beach.
Look at that turtle on top of the turtle.
I can't get up. I can't get up. I can't get up.